Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SketchUp tutorial how to build a simple house. So as example, I will draw rectangle and then use offset tools to offset this rectangle object. Use pull tools to convert into 3D. And then you can triple click, right click, make a group. Now to create roof, I will draw line from this center point into here in a blue axis. Move into this right axis and then you can connect. Now use erase tools to erase the edge and then use pull tools to extrude the top rectangle. This you can click to decrease. Then I will click here, move to here. Then click in the bottom here and then move to the bottom here a bit like this. So the next I will triple click again and then make a group. You can edit in the bottom here. You can create for door. Okay, triple click and I will draw rectangle. And also I will draw in here. Now we use the pull tools to cut the wall. Okay. And to create door, you can click outside first and then use rectangle tools. We'll create from this point to the top here. Then you can use extrude tools, convert into 3D. Okay, like this. Now I will triple click, right click and make group. You can rotate for this object by using rotation tools. I will rotate in the green axis or blue axis in it. Okay, rotate into this point. Now I will move this door into here. So we already create for door, and for window you can draw again rectangle from this point or from middle point here to here. Top. Then use extrude tools or pull tools to create pull. Now you can set material into this object. Like I will click in here, go to material, and I will change into glass. I will use this tools and apply into this object. Okay. For door, you can apply like for wood. Okay, this. And then for roof, you can triple click. And in here you can see we have roofing texture. Okay, I will use this texture to this face also in here. Okay, for wall, you can set color. Like I will use this color. You can click to apply. Okay, that's it for a basic SketchUp tutorial how to build house. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.